So our patient today is 40 years old, African-American female with history of traction alopecia. So traction alopecia is usually a condition where certain hair styling practices such as thread or locks create a constant pressure at the base of the hair follicle, and over time can weaken it and result in permanent hair loss. So for this type of condition, it's important to realize that first we need to change the practices to minimize any future damage. And then we can consider hair restoration. Generally, in women, hair restoration surgically or hair transplant is not the first option and should be only considered when we exhausted all other possibilities of hair loss and treatment. Our patient today, obviously, she had this traction alopecia for some time and she wanted to restore and reshape the hairline, and that's exactly what we're doing today. So the plan is to get over 2,000 grafts. At this moment, I think we are really close to 2,000 grafts. As you can see what's going on in the background. Right now we're finishing up collecting. I already done with dissection, and we'll count the exact number of grafts and we'll see if I need to get more. Again, I'm trying to get at least 2,000 grafts today. If I can get more, it definitely will give me a better density for the implantation. And after the lunch break, we'll start with next phase. It's a graft implantation, one by one. All right, so now it's 4:30 p.m. and I just placed the last graft. We actually got more than expected, around 2,100. So it was 30 grafts more implanted than we actually counted, which is a nice bonus. Patient will head straight into the hyperbaric chamber. I think it's very beneficial because once we reimplant the graft, it takes 7 days for the body to regenerate the blood vessels, and if we give this extra boost of oxygen, we pretty much eliminate any risks of some grafts not growing back. So patient will continue for 7 days daily hyperbaric medicine treatments with at least 2.5 atmosphere. Thanks for following throughout the procedure. Please comment, ask questions. It was Dr. Max at Dr. Max Restoration Center. Subscribe, like, comment, and follow.